Hello, my name is Valeria Ortega and today I'm going to talk about my English course with the teacher Georgina Gaitan. I really enjoyed the class and I could learn many new verbs and words about business, and because of the activities we did in class I could lose a little more to fear to speak English among my peers and even with other people. In practice this semester, I was able to test everything I have learned in previous courses. It has been an enriching experience and mutual learning. I also stressed the student and teacher relationship, and I think that it was favorable for class development. There is trust among the group, allowing a certain dialogue between all class. Teamwork was much favored in this course, and the only thing I didn't like is that she left us too much homework and sometimes. Also, I met a lot of new people in this course and it really liked to me. But in conclusion, I take many things and good moments in this class. Thank you.